wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best texture guns. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Crafttool PC306 Super Pro is probably not the most comfortable option to hold. However, what makes it worth considering is an easy-to-pull bronze trigger that's designed specifically to help you avoid excessive finger strain. This one's manufactured in the USA with a cylinder that's got a shut-off valve. However, a hopper is not included. At number 9, if you're sick of throwing away cans of patching spray, try the Homax Touch-Up Kit. It's perfect for fixing minor mistakes where a full-sized option might seem like overkill. And since it's completely reusable, you'll end up saving money in the long term. It comes with some popcorn texture mix and is good for 15 square feet of wall, but it can be extremely messy. Coming in at number 8 on our list. As adept on ceilings as it is on walls, the Homax 4630 Pneumatic can handle the whole house or simple repair tasks. While it's lightweight and easy to use, it's made entirely of plastic, so professional tradesmen may opt for something stronger. It's HVLP compatible and designed for use with a compressor. However, it gets plugged up occasionally. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for texture guns, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're a contractor doing texturing work on an entire home, then you already know that a tiny hopper isn't going to cut it. The professional-grade Graco TexSpray RTX can hold up to 13 gallons, and it even includes a compressor. It comes with a 25-foot hose and a well-made aluminum gun, but of course it's far too expensive for home DIY use. Moving up our list to number 6. Created to apply texture to walls and ceilings of varying sizes and styles, the Nike sprayer is gravity-fed and operates smoothly. It's effective for smaller at-home projects, but if you have a substantial job, you may want to invest in a more heavy-duty option. It suffers from minimal clogging and build-up and includes 2 hexagonal wrenches. However, there's no air pressure control valve. Halfway up our list at number 5. Why rent a spray gun when you can pick up a quality option at such a low price? The Superbuy sprayer is as effective as many of its far more expensive counterparts, even if it doesn't come with too many bells and whistles. This one's great for beginners as it's intuitive and easy to use. It delivers a uniform spray. At number 4, the Hilltex spray is a lifesaver when it comes to remodeling projects. It delivers professional results without requiring unnecessary assembly. Just make sure that the joint compound is the right consistency and the airflow is adjusted accordingly. It's not difficult to clean and equipped with a 5-liter capacity and a handy trigger with a lock. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The generic drywall sprayer has a reliable aluminum body constructed as one piece and a long steel trigger. Thanks to its compact size, it's much easier to maneuver into tight and hard-to-reach places than many of its larger counterparts. It features an angled hopper for reaching ceilings, 3 sizes of brass air nozzle, and a shutoff valve. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for texture guns, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, made to offer superior texture variety, the Marshalltown Sharpshooter 2.1 has a sleek grey and blue design and features an angled hopper adapter, which allows it to remain level whether you're focused on the ceiling, wall, or floor. It delivers 7 different spray patterns and comes with a durable nylon body and an ergonomic soft grip handle. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Wagner Power Tex has won awards for its built-in air turbine. It will allow you to generate powerful airflow without having to deal with a separate compressor or a bunch of annoying hoses that would inevitably get tangled and caught on things. A 3-point stand stabilizes the unit and it rests comfortably on your arm. It includes a cleaning brush. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for texture guns, or simply click beneath this video.